work. Mitra, you have the list, right? Ready with the list?
Yes.
Okay. The first name?
Wilfred.
Wilfred. Come on, Wilfred. Wilfred.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you read a story?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, which is the story?
The Lion and Mouse.
The Lion and the Mouse. Yes, what is the moral of the story? What is the moral of the story? What did you understand by reading that story? That's it. What did you understand? The Lion and the Mouse. Relax, say.
The small
Creatures
creatures
can doing
big job.
big job.
Big
That's
job.
what your mother understood, right? I'm asking what did Wilfred understand from the story? Shy. The thing, just one thing. Wilfred, did you read the story?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Parvati.
Parvati.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, which story you read?
The rabbit and the tortoise.
Ah, and did you really read that?
Yes.
Okay. Your mother is nearby?
Yes.
Dear mother, did she read the story?
Yes, ma'am.
Well done. Yay. Very good. Next name, Mitra. Next name.
Tom Saji.
Tom Saji.
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Ah, hello, Tom Saji. Which story you read? Sorry?
The star.
Huh?
Star.
Star. I didn't hear. Which story?
Star story.
Star story. What is the name of the story?
I'm going to perform a star story.
No, Tom Saji, I asked to read a story. I asked to read a story. Did you read?
Yes.
Okay, what is the name of the story?
The star and the moon.
The Star and the Moon. And my dear, it's not star. Ra is silent. Okay? Whenever the Ra is coming towards the end, whenever the Ra sound is coming towards the end, it's silent. In most of the cases, it's silent. Okay? That's why we say car, star. You remember that?
Yes.
Okay, well done. Now, Mitra, the next name, please.
Phantom.
Santom. Santom. He's absent. Santom is absent.
Slow and steady.
Santom is absent. Okay, I can't see Santom. Okay, the next name, Mitra.
Vinayak.
Sorry?
Siddhivinayak.
Siddhi Vinayak. He's also absent, right?
Bhagyasri.
Bhagyasri. Oh, that's a smart move. They're absent. Okay, Mitra, please note these names, okay?
Okay.
Absent these names. Santom, Siddhi Vinayak, and Bhagyasri.
Okay.
Okay, just mark it. Just mark them, okay? The next.
Anda.
Sorry?
Anurag.
Anurag. Yes. Anurag is smiling. Did you read?
I read.
Yes, I read. No, yes, I read.
Ma'am, I want to perform a song.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Mitra, sorry, Anurag. Anurag, which is the story that you read, Anurag?
Yes, ma'am. Sharing is fun.
Sharing?
It's fun.
Sharing is fun. Very good. And did you like the story? Did you like the story? Yes. Okay. Very good. Well done. Very good. Very good. Now, Mitra, the next.
Nihal.
Nihal.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Did you read a story?
Too silly goat.
Too silly?
Goat.
Got. And did you like the story?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. The confidence in your face says that you really read the story. I missed that confidence in Wilfred's face and whose face? Anurag's face. The confidence was missing over there. So I don't have to ask you, Nihal, whether you read the story. Your face says that you read it. Very good. Mitra, next.
Joseph Sebi.
Joseph Sibi. You have to mark that name. He's absent.
Arjun. No, ma'am.
Sorry? Joseph Sebi is here. Joseph Sebi is here. Okay, okay. Sorry, dear Joseph. Come on, Joseph. Which story you read?
The Puppy's Adventure.
The Puppy's Avenger. Did you like that?
Yes.
Very good. Well done. Next, Mitra. Arjun, right?
Yes.
Arjun. Did you read?
Hare and Tortoise.
Hare and Tortoise. Who else read that? Parvati read that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Yes. Well done. Next.
Last one, Anai PP.
Anai. Who's Anai? Anai? No. Okay, mark. Did you mark, dear? Okay, very good. Thank you. Thank you. So now, just now we finished the past session, right? Okay. So now we are going to the fresh one, the new one. In today's session, I want to know who all believes or who all likes magic. Raise your hand, those who like magic. Raise your hand. No need to scream out your names. Just raise your hand. Yes, 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 yes. High five, come on. Yes. Okay. So, today we are going to discuss about magic. Suppose, that's imagine that you can go to a magical place. Okay, while we are playing at home or while we are playing with friends, we'll say that today we'll play some magical games. Like we are going to a magical land, meeting fairy peoples, like that. Do you play like that? I used to play when I was a kid. Okay, so I used to think that what if I'm going to a magical land? What if I could do a magic like just rounding the wand? Abracadabra, boom. Here the magic happens. Yes, do you imagine such things? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So-
ma'am.
Yes, even I imagined that. Even I imagined that. If I had some magical powers and if I'm going to a magical land, or else if I get a fairy, like if I'm the Cinderella, so I get a fairy and the fairy comes to me and she does the magic. So if we are not doing magic, if someone comes to us so that they can do the magic on us, that's also possible, right? We can imagine that way also. Suppose we are the fairy, or a fairy comes to us, or a magician comes to us, and they do all the magic and do so many wonders. Is there anyone who imagines such things? Raise your hand. I used to imagine that a fairy comes to me and asks me, what do you need? Okay, what magic should I perform for you? So I used to Imagine that the fairy is here and I'm asking her, I need a magic that you can turn everything into chocolate, ice cream, milkshake. That's what I used to imagine when I was a kid. Do you imagine such things?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you imagine a magical world there is no studies, no paper, no pen, nothing?
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
imagine such things?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, I used to imagine. I used to imagine with no homework. I don't want homework. If you're studying also, I don't want any homework. Okay, I used to imagine if I go to a magical land, I need a land where there's no homework. Please, fairy, please. I need a land that's there's no homework at all. There's no
Ma'am?
exams.
Ma'am, I need to perform song.
My goodness, Tom Saji. Tom Saji, we are
What?
talking. Let's talk.
Okay.
Okay. I told you, if we don't get time to sing the song, you'll get a happy hour, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, the magical journey. You have to speak about the magical journey that you ever thought about. Okay, like I want to, or I wish to go to a magical journey where there's full of ice, full of ice cream, like that. A magical journey. You have to speak about a magical journey. So the first thing, who is ready to speak first? Because I'll be asking some questions like what all things you see there, what magic you need. Do you need a fairy or you are the magical fairy? Like that. I will be asking such questions. So who is ready to answer first? Like who is ready to speak first? I can see Jennifer. I can see Jennifer holding her hand up from the very beginning. So let's start with Jennifer, okay? Okay, Jennifer. Everyone else, please keep muted, okay? Everyone else, please keep muted. And Jennifer, yes. What is the magical journey that you ever imagined?
Ice cream.
I want to know the magical journey. This is a one word answer, right? Ice cream. That's a one word. You have to say it in a complete sentence. You have to go to an ice cream world.
Yes.
Advait, mute.
Yes.
Okay, so say that. I want to go to a magical world with full of ice cream, right?
I want to go the magical world full of the ice cream.
Okay, very good. Then the next question I'll ask you. What is so magical about that place? Why you feel that it's a magical place?
Because there has so many fairies.
Flavors. Because they fairies. Okay. Because there are there are silent. Because
There
are so many fairies.
so many fairies.
Very well. Very good. Yes. I like that accent. Very good. And what will you see there? What all things you see there?
Ice cream,
Mm-hmm.
milkshake,
Mm-hmm. And again, those are one word answers. I can see when I'm asking what all things you, the reply should be I can see.
I can see a cake.
Cake. Okay. Then?
I can see a milk juice.
Uh-huh.
I can see a lollipop.
Mm-hmm.
I can see a chocolate.
Very good. Now, the next question I want to know is, what kind of people you'll meet there? You are the only one or there are lots of people in your magical land?
Lot of people.
Lots. Lot or lots?
Lots of people.
Very good.
In the magical land.
Very well. So, what kind of people are they? like normal kids, normal family, friends, or fairies? Everybody is magical. Everybody is fairies or magical world.
Fairies and friends.
Fairies and friends.
Yes.
And that's also one word answer, right? Is that a one word answer? Okay, the question is, what kind of people you will meet there? What kind of people you will meet there? I will meet.
I will meet fairies and friends.
Well done. Yes, very good. That's what I need. Very good. So moving on to now the Meenakshi. Meenakshi is raising. Come on, Meenakshi. Yeah.
I want to go to Disney
Don't drag the two. I want to go to.
I want to go to Disney World.
Very good. What is magical about that place?
There is
There is.
cartoon.
Which one? There is
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse. Then
Mickey.
Mickey. Then what is magical about that place? What is magical about that place? Suppose if I'm going to a magical land, if I'm going to a magical land, when I reach there, what is magical about that place is like whomever I meet, they all can perform magic. Okay, so now you are in Disneyland, right?
Yes.
So I want to know what is magical about that place. Every people you meet are cartoon. Sentence. You have to make a sentence. The magical thing about the place is, my dear, I'm helping you. The magical thing about the place is.
There is.
There. Okay, from now on, whenever I hear the there are thing, I'll ring the sound. Okay. Okay. There is.
Pupil.
What? There is?
Lot of people.
Lots of people. What kind of people?
My friends and my family.
Your friends and your family. Very well. And what will you see there? You said that Mickey Mouse, right?
Yes.
Only Mickey Mouse?
Barbie.
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 Mm-hmm.
And princess.
Very good. So done with the magical thing. So what do you want to do? What magic do you need? You will need some magic, right? Like if I'm going to a Disneyland and whatever things I see is the cartoon characters, that's fine. That's fun to see. Do you need any magic from them? Or you are a fairy? You are a fairy that can do magic?
I am a princess.
You are a princess. Very good. So you don't need any magic, right? You already are a princess. Yes?
Yes.
Very well. So who is going to the magical journey next? Raise your hand. Chaitanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, everyone else, please keep your device muted. Oh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Chaitanya, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. What is the magical journey that you want to go?
I want to go to the magical land of shimmer and shine.
Oh, shimmer and shine.
Yes.
And Chaitanya, what I liked is you said the starting itself, you said it in a complete meaningful sentence. Well done. Very good. Then next, not finished yet. Come on, continue. Okay, what is so magical about that place? What is so magical about that place?
There's so many people and
Dear, you don't. When you say people, you don't have to say peoples. Okay, people itself is a plural thing. Okay. Okay, there are so many people. Then, what kind of people?
kind. Kind people.
Kind people.
Yes.
That was a one-word answer. There are kind peoples in Shimmer and Shine world. Okay, is that fine?
Yes.
Okay, then continue. Then what?
Their pets are so cute.
Uh-huh.
Can play with them.
Chaitanya. Chaitanya.
Yes.
Yes. When you started, you started with the best accent possible. Okay. Now you're getting shimmer and shine effect. You're getting childish, right?
Yes.
Yes. I meet the best people, that kind of accent, right?
Yes.
Get back to the accent. Come on. Be smart. Yes. So what kind of people you meet there?
Kind people.
Mm. Yes. And what is so magical about that place?
They help.
Mm. They help?
Other people.
They help?
Other people.
They help other people. Very good. Well done. Very well. Then, is there anything else? Who
No.
all are there? Who all are there? Fairies, magicians, friends, family, or just you? I can't hear.
Butterflies.
Ah, butterflies. No human beings, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Then? Who all are there? Butterflies. Yes. Chaitanya. Then?
Shimmer and shine.
Ah, yes. Shimmer and shine. Butterflies, Chaitanya, shimmer and shine. Then?
Clouds.
Ah?
Then nothing else.
Then nothing else. No friends, no family, no nothing. Just shimmer and shine, butterflies and Chaitanya. Done? You don't want anyone else.
No.
Ah, that's okay. It's fine. It's your wish, your magical land, right?
Yes.
Ah, your rule. Very good. Well done. Good. That's a good attempt. And
Thank
so
you.
now, Tirtha. One sec. Don't worry. Everybody will get a chance. If not today, the next day you'll get a chance. Don't worry. Tirtha. Start.
I want to go to God.
I want to go to, don't, the wave of your speech is like this. I want to go to, like that. Okay? Make it straight. I want to go to.
I want to go to God.
Where?
God.
God.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Yes. Why?
I like God.
You like God. Okay.
Yes.
And what is magical about that place?
There are so many fairies and God.
There are so many.
Fairies and God.
Ah, there are so many fairies and God, right?
Yes.
Very well. Then
then my family and me.
Ah, you want to take your family too, right?
Yes.
Okay, very well. Very well, very good. Yes. So, my dear ones, I'll be sending you what all points you need to take care while speaking about this magical journey. Okay? I'll be sending you that and come prepared for next Monday. Okay? Next Monday, we'll discuss on the magical journey. Till then, you can imagine as much as possible about the magical journey that you're going to have. Okay? Will you imagine? Will you imagine about the magical journey that you're going to have?
Yes. Yes.
I need maximum magic, okay? I need maximum magic. Like going to a wonderland, going to a magical place. What you should be Cinderella, I should be Snow White. Okay, like that. So imagine the maximum and see you again in the next session. Thank you all for joining. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.